Coucou YouTube, bienvenue sur le nouveau let's play de Dispatch. Donc c'est un jeu de choix. J'en sais pas plus que ça. Donc on va découvrir ensemble. Alors je pense que tout est bon. C'est le son du jeu, ouais. Ah c'est parti hein. Jouer. Ah ok, my bad. Animation, c'est quoi animation? Ouais c'est bien ça. Ouais, tout est bon. En fait j'ai choisi avant. Ouais, censure visuelle. Ah mais l'audio et les sous-titres, ouais je crois que c'est les gros mots et tout. Bah je m'en fous ça. Juste visuel, ouais la nudité c'est mort et la musique sous licence. Vas-y. Interactif c'est pas mal. Détendez-vous, masque les actions interparties, ouais. Faites l'action. Ouais non ouais. Faut interagir ici.
Obviously, I love him. He's my dad. What does that mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just, when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious. So, I'll ask again. How do you really feel about your father? It's as if maybe it's a little more complicated than you feel comfortable admitting, which is complete.
Attends. Wesh. Allez. J'aime mon père.
Understandable.
J'aime Maël.
Look, I love my dad, all right? I love my dad. That's the truth.
Loved.
That's what I said.
You said love. Your dad's dead, so you don't love him, you loved him.
C'est ce que je veux.
Just so sensitive. Listen, if I didn't love him, we wouldn't be here.
Tu sais
Right?
du nez.
We don't have to get into it.
Ah il est allongé.
Nope, we're in it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this?
Ok c'est bagarré.
Shit, my nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably from when I kicked you in the face.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. So, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building, and you're gonna tell me where Shroud is, or I'm going to drop you
Qu'est-ce qui
to
se
your
passe?
death.
Come on, I thought we were having a breakthrough.
Hey, we did.
Ah il l'a ligoté. Ok ok.
Piece of shit.
Donc là c'est la bagarre.
Easy to talk to, but the only
Oh la qualité elle est
breakthrough I
stylée.
need right now is the location of Shroud.
I'm not telling you shit, you fucking loser!
See, this is more like how I thought this would be.
I hope Shroud kills you just like he killed your father. I hope he fucking spanks your little daddy issue bitch ass to death, you hear me? Ugh. Are we outside?
Windy up here tonight, huh?
Why are we outside?
No telling.
C'est très bien
where you
pourquoi.
Smells like outside smells. Fuck, wait, wait,
Hey,
wait,
I
wait!
have neighbors. Use your inside voice and just tell me where Shroud is.
Okay, steel mill, Llewellyn Steelworks, okay? Fuck!
You sure about that?
Yes, please, that's all I know!
Stop screaming, god damn it.
Help! Help!
Hey, I will pull you up if you quiet the fuck down.
Help!
En fait il ferme pas sa bouche. Il ferme pas sa bouche. Bah, allez vas-y. Je vais pas marquer.
Honestly, it was nice talking to someone about this stuff.
Pas
I
bizarre.
guess what I'm saying is, I'm really glad I kidnapped you tonight.
Laura commence à venir sur Twitch. Ouais, quel bail. En mode le mec il a pas vu la cigarette tomber là. Excusez-moi, j'étais en train de manger. Maintenant je suis là. Ich. Aïe. Ich. Bram. Bram. En mode ok, je capte. Je capte. À peu près. Elle est cassée, je crois. Ok, donc on a quand même les données. Ah mince, c'est encore chi. Ah ouais, attendez. Wesh, attendez. Y a pas le... Y a pas les touches. Par pitié. J'ai besoin en WSD là. Pas possible. Ok, c'est bon. Ok. Non, viens sur Twitch. Sur Twitch. Ok, je capte. Ok, c'est bon. J'ai réparé le bail. Ok, donc c'est le code pour activer le nœud. Merde. Ok. Ok, je capte. Donc on est des petits hackers. Le début du jeu, on a grâce à un mec, on lui dit il est où le tueur de mon père? Et là, on va chercher le tueur de mon père. Ok. Tu peux atterrir plusieurs fois avec certains d'eux. Hein? Ah, ok. Il faut que je revienne.
Alright, next one.
Ok, je captais. Hop. Ouais.
Just one more.
Le dernier est là. Ah, vas-y, faut tout refaire. Oh mon dieu. Oh, les chiens. Tu vas où? Mince.
Fuck yeah.
Contexte du jeu. Bah ouais. Notre père il est mort et on cherche le tueur et vu la tenue on est un super héros. J'imagine. C'est tout ce qu'on sait pour l'instant. Et le tueur de mon père il s'appelle Spectre, dans mes souvenirs.
Hey, can I get a copy of that video when we're through here? Cause it's over, Shroud.
Ah, je m'appelle Mechaman.
Watch that back at a different angle.
Oh no, it's over, Shroud.
All this build up face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame shit?
Where the fuck is Shroud?
He'll be here in a bit.
Il se téléporte ou quoi?
After our conversation, I asked him about your dad. Fun little tidbit. He was very well hydrated. Turns out right after Shroud shot him in the chest, your dad pissed his pants. Bet you didn't know that, huh? So after that bullet tore through his insides, he still had enough
ouais, c'est pour
time
le
to
nouvel
know
an, t'inquiète.
how absolutely fucked he was, and just pissed himself like a little bitch. It was like so much piss. Because your dad was wearing shorts, so
Hey.
it just kept...
I get it.
Wesh! Ah c'était ça, écrasé. Ok. Enfin... Ok, je capte le écrasé du coup. Pète sa mère! Ok, donc je suis un robot quoi. Ouais, nouveau jeu. Bon, on a fini des 3.
Can we just
Smash
skip
you.
to the part where you reveal your bullshit superpower so we can fight for real?
Comme ça, Smash. Ok, je capte. Donc le carré noir que vous avez vu, c'était son Ouais, bah ouais, il est tout nu en fait.
Cool dick.
Ouais.
So you got some.
Après on est sur Twitch, vous voyez, donc j'ai un peu caché les trucs.
Bro, that works on so many levels for you.
Yeah, no shit. That's the point. Trout's augments are pretty good when normies
Ah ouais, il est
like
tout
you
nu
use
tout le
them.
combat quoi.
When you put them on someone who already has powers, fuck
C'est un mode, en gros il te propose de cacher les trucs pour ceux qui veulent faire le jeu en live. Ah, parce que du coup, ouais, il y a des scènes de sexe, etc. Aïe. Allez hop. Oui, miskin. Oh merde, oh merde. Waouh, ok. Je me plaignais que c'était trop lent, bah je suis fait avoir. Ouais, t'inquiète Laura, t'inquiète.
Figures.
Ouais, le genre dirait une série, mais c'est en épisode. Donc ouais, c'est un peu comme une série, mais style 2. C'est vraiment que un jeu à choix comparé aux 3 vu comme ça. Je pense que les trucs comme tu te déplaces et tout. Je suis même pas sûr que tu puisses te déplacer. Donc. Ah ouais, pourquoi je regarde le chat moi aussi? Il y avait un bubble gob là. Et ouais. Attends, comment ça, Anissa? Aïe aïe aïe, ah là il est KO là. Allez, bisous. Voilà, mais laisse-moi tranquille. Ah, ok. Vas-y, il meurt jamais là-dessus. Bah vas-y, bah va sur ce sport. C'est la deal. Là il lance une petite game lol. Merci Laura.
So, what do you got left on them shields? I said 40%, but Boss Man says you're down to 28. And he is not wrong about this thing.
Ah ouais, non il est chaud, il est chaud.
Good news, buddy. Shroud says he just wants the Astral Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
Mais t'as le truc qui t'attend depuis 15 minutes, prends-le. Hein.
System check. Calculate the damage per second hitting shields. Then tell me how many seconds I need to divert astral pulse energy to rocket boosters.
12.89 seconds of damage before critical.
Oh hey, Boss Man says if you're planning on diverting pulse power to the boosters, it won't work. This is a limited time offer, dude. What's up? You were so fucking talkative
Junior.
earlier. I'm just the messenger here. He said you're not calculating that shit stuck to your leg, dumbass.
M'en fous.
Fuck it.
Wesh, Anissa, wesh.
Come on!
Voilà. Il me fait le mec qui sait tout, le boss là. Vas-y, bouge de là. Bah. Non, y a pas de VF là.
Yeah! Status.
Pulse status. Stable.
Mais très bien la VO.
Foreign device detected.
Oh le chien. Ils ont mis une grenade. Grenade.
Warning. Warning.
Ah bah elle a pété.
Warning.
Ouais, je captais. Non, ça t'entraîne, t'inquiète. Dispatch. Le jeu est très très calme, très très cool en fait. Wesh, qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
It was just over 4
Elle fait des
months ago
TikTok.
that images like this were recorded across the Southland. Videos flooded social media and our newsroom showing what many
Il y a un
thought
truc là.
the death of Mecha Man. Again. For nearly 50 years, a Mecha Man has protected Los Angeles. Built by an ordinary civilian with no superpowers. This first suit was dubbed by some fans as Mecha Man Prime. 3 generations of pilot, their identities
Ça l'appelait Prime,
have
jure.
given everything to protect this community, including their lives. After the tragic passing of Prime, the next Mecha Man, known as Astral, teamed up with a star-studded superhero group known as the Brave Brigade, leading to an unprecedented period of peace in the Southland. After years of loyal service, tragedy struck again, when Shroud, a former Brave Brigade member turned villain, killed the pilot of Mecha Man in cold blood. But yet again, as hope was lost, a third generation of Mecha Man emerged. A
Comment je trouvais le
message
jeu
for the
impotamable
modern
quand c'est.
a bulwark against organized crime in the greater Los Angeles area. Until today. Earlier today, Mecha Man broke his silence and addressed the media.
There's been a lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that
5 minutes.
speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero work, effective immediately.
Does this mean you're finished?
Can you repair your
What's next for
suit?
Mecha Man?
Does this mean your career is
How
over?
badly were you hurt?
One at a time, please.
Ashley Rhiness, San Pedro Daily, do you have anything to say to your fans? The public outpouring, the vigils, a lot of them were worried
J'ai
you
fait de mon
wouldn't
mieux.
wake up.
I suppose I want them to know I did my best. I worked as long as I could, as hard as I could, and that's all anyone can do. Next
Il est
question.
nonchalant ou c'est moi là?
Chris Stratton, Torrance Tribune. Does this mean you're retiring as Mecha Man? Word on the street is you're donezo.
Are you 100 years old? Why are you talking like that?
Answer the question, buddy boy. Are you retiring? My readers need the skinny, and I aim to deliver. Let's get it on the record.
Pas encore.
Look, I'm not retiring. Not yet, at least.
Any idea what you can do without the Mecha Man suit?
Not yet. All right, just one more, please. I gotta get back to, just one more.
Je peux parler?
Preferably someone from the Century.
Charles Kingsley, South Bay
Quelqu'un de
Signal.
notre époque.
So, Shroud kills your father, goes to jail 15 years, breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
I didn't hear a question in there.
Two-parter. First, why didn't Shroud kill you? You haven't been conscious for months. It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud
Moi, je
wanted the
l'orage.
Astral Pulse and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right, you're unimportant. Which leads me to my next question. Most heroes avenge their family. You did the opposite. You killed their legacy. How disappointed would your dad be if he were here right now? Your father, your grandfather, They must be rolling over in their graves.
I think he'd be proud, because I'm alive. Which, as you so sensitively pointed out, he isn't. I think he knows that I sacrificed everything and that I did my best. Being Mecha Man, protecting my community, was the greatest honor I'll ever have. Now I have to live knowing that.
Je vais snapper, je dirai bonne année comme ça.
Thank you for coming.
En fait, j'ai ma grand-mère qui dort à côté, c'est-à-dire je vais pouvoir crier, j'ai le seum.
Up next, is Mecha Man a mecha quitter?
Yeah, I mean, it seemed like it'd be better if he died than be a mecha coward, you know? What kind of example is he setting?
Stay tuned to find out.
La vie, moi je suis quand même un super héros.
Hey, assholes. Yeah, just put the TVs back and you can leave. I won't say anything to the cops, and this doesn't need to escalate.
Hey, who you calling assholes, asshole?
I'll handle this idiot. Keep loading. We're out of here in 30. And who the fuck are you?
Yeah, you. Go fucking hobo ranger? Who the fuck are you?
Right now, I'm someone with nothing to lose. Which is probably bad news for you.
Well, with nothing you have, you're about to lose again.
Whatever the case, I'm enough to deal with a pack of fucking Skittles idiots like you.
En fait, là, c'est bientôt l'année là. Ah, mais il est 23h59. Pourquoi il y a des feux d'artifice? Ah, ils sont bêtes ou quoi? Oh, il reste quelques secondes. Voilà. Il reste quelques secondes. Ah, donc, ouais. On va snapper tout ça. Ils sont trop tôt, ils sont bêtes surtout, ils sont trop bêtes. On a la même heure en France en fait. Ok, c'est bon. Bonne année! Bonne année à tous! On a un petit live. Comme vous pouvez le voir, passez une bonne année. Alors là, c'est bon pour prendre le jeu. C'est parti. Là, ma mère elle va monter. Elle va me dire t'es mort. T'es mort. Ouais, j'ai la même intonation que le bonne année d'il y a 2 ans. Dingue. Hop. Bonne année, bah, bref. Hop là, ouais, il y a tous les messages de bonne année. Ouais, allez, c'est parti en live. Hein. Allez, let's go.
God damn it. Look, you're hurt. You're not thinking straight.
Attends,
You don't
point
wanna
droit
fight
du coup.
someone who knows which hand every punch is coming from.
Ouais, c'est logique, oui, c'est logique. Et les coups de pied. Wesh, là, wesh. Ouais, non, bah là, ouais, j'ai pas pensé à ça. Wesh. Oh, le sang. Elle vient du ciel.
That guy I threw, he landed on the roof, right?
All good.
Phew. Hi, I'm Blonde Blazer. I work over at Superhero Dispatch Network.
C'est quoi ça?
Hey, hi, yeah. I know who you are. You're like famous.
Oh, I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire. You're the real deal. You're the famous one.
Right, I don't think infamous is the same as famous, but...
Oh god, your arm.
Ah, fuck.
Et ouais.
Oh yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, you look like some kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you. Usually dislocates the other way.
Okay, but have you done this before? Because maybe... Ow! Okay. Wow,
Wesh.
that's okay. Thank you.
Par contre, je reçois plus de bonne année que de joyeux anniversaire. Ah wesh, ma montre. Oh mais montre ce que je veux montrer.
You look like you could use a drink.
What makes you say that?
Sur moi, tu avais des feux d'artifice. Oh la musique.
Yeah, well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
Il fait froid, j'ai l'impression. Bonne, ah mais dis, t'as 2 minutes de retard.
Sorry.
I actually didn't know what I meant, but you know what? It should have been that.
I'm a little buzzed. I don't really make jokes like that. I think Vizzy's rubbing off on me.
Who?
Someone I work with.
C'est vrai que je stream depuis 1 an.
Yeah.
J'ai lancé stream l'année dernière, les gars. Tu me mets au défi.
That
Ce bâton.
feels like a challenge.
Oh, no. It's fine. Don't worry about keeping up. Something to do with the powers. It takes a lot for me to feel anything.
Mais je crois que c'est Barry Allen ou quoi? Vas-y, je vais boire. Bois de l'alcool, mon gars. Bois.
Hey, you should give yourself more credit. To do what you did for as long as you did. Especially without superpowers.
Not true. What do you call this?
I can fix that one for you too.
No thanks, I like this one.
Thank you. So, how did you afford all that?
Ouais, je suis majeur cette année, l'équipe.
Hundreds of thousands of
Millions. So you'll understand when the check comes.
You're serious? Millions.
Yeah, I basically burned through my entire inheritance keeping it going. The last couple of years have just been duct tape and sheer determination.
J'ai pas envie.
Why did you do it?
Do what?
Sacrifice everything to be a superhero to the point of financial...
Ruin?
I was gonna say hardship, but ruin was the first word that came to mind.
J'ai du buzz.
You must be completely broke at this point.
J'ai aimé mon prochain.
I don't know. I guess I just like helping people.
So, are you drunk yet or what?
Yeah, I should probably be switching to water.
Good, because I was hoping after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you. And, if all that went well, present you with a proposition.
A proposition?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter of picking the right moment.
Well, propositions late at night in a bar can go any number of ways.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe dans le jeu là?
That's actually not water.
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol. I know because you spit it directly into my open mouth. That's water. That, see? How it has ice in it?
You drink hard liquor from a pint glass?
Actually, I usually just drink it straight from the bottle, but I thought that would be embarrassing. I'm gonna go clean up.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I will be right back.
What are you doing?
Hey, bitch! Hey, I'm talking to you, bitch.
Il est espagnol lui, ouais.
Alright, just so you know,
C'est une
I only
dinguerie.
turned around
Grave des
because
messages.
somebody yelled, not because I'm a bitch or anything.
Don't you watch the news? This is a superhero bar.
Oh, wow, are you a superhero? That's so cool. Is this your power? You're like, tell people obvious shit guy?
Oh.
You're really going to act like you don't remember me.
Wait, it's coming back to me. Hold on. Yeah, it's coming back to me. Oh, wait. You are Dr. Don't Do Shit. Your deal is you walk up to people, look threatening, talk a big game, then don't
Ah
do
là,
shit
ça paie sa
about
mère.
it.
En mode là, c'est une
Also,
série, c'est moi je la crée.
you're not a real doctor, because you're a fucking idiot.
That is... damn.
You good?
Sorry, I choked on my spit.
Il s'appelle Coupé, wesh.
No, like a bitch. I control the fire.
The fire?
And the flame. And my skin does not burn. I am Flambe. And you...
Wait, oh shit, I do remember you. You're that shitty villain I busted up.
Not anymore, mecha dick. As I literally just said. I am Flambe, a real superhero. And you are not Mecha Man anymore. So, you need to get the fuck out of here. Now, we can do this
Abandonne,
easy
abandonne.
way.
Je suis pas un dinosaure. Ah, fallait lui envoyer de l'alcool.
Easy way.
Ah merde, ouais, je
Happy
vois.
now, right?
I've been waiting a long time for this.
Ah non, j'aurais dû lui envoyer de l'alcool. Il lui a laissé une dent. Il a laissé une dent, la ville a laissé une dent. Bah, il est grave petit lui à gauche. Je l'avais pas vu.
What song is that?
Your mouth. It's whistling. Come on, we should get you to a
C'est la
hospital.
bouche qui siffle.
Coop! Fucking guy needs a dentist. I've got it on ice. Should be able to reattach it.
Teeth don't work that way. You're thinking of fingers and dicks. You know what? Give it a shot.
Hey, Mecha Dick.
Mais j'ai rien fait.
Fuck out of here.
I get it. Can you just tell Blazer I'm outside?
Out!
Relax. I'm leaving.
Ils sont 40. Vas-y les messages après, je vous aime bien les gens mais...
Hey, I couldn't find you.
It's cool. I was just admiring the art on this dumpster. Can't tell why anyone would put those words together. Why are
Farte
you
bar.
holding drinks?
Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Farte-toi mais
You're
bar.
in trouble.
Actually, according to the bartender, that's exactly what you are. What happened in there? I walk out and the bartender's pissed. The whole energy is awkward. And I almost rolled the heck out of my ankle on
Ouais,
the
un petit peu
slippery floor.
attribution.
Yeah, it's crazy. This guy, he just fell down.
A guy fell down.
Yeah? Does that not sound convincing enough?
Hold these. I know a place.
You stung.
It's a little out there. Easier if we fly.
Wesh. Mais les verres, à la vie vont tomber. Wesh. Wesh, ça pète ça, mais je trouve ça trop bien. Oh, c'est beau. Bananième. C'est super beau. Wesh.
I actually thought you were taking us to sit on it.
Hmm? Oh yeah, that would have been cool. Oh no, yeah, this.
Ouais,
this
c'est
is better,
le
'cause you can see it
l'écran de
in
de
the-
début de jeu.
It looks like there's a couple up there already, so.
I really appreciate you coming to my rescue back there. I still think I could have handled it, but
Hmm.
all I'm trying to say is,
Le jeu s'appelle Dispatch. C'est une série interactive en
just
fait.
said that,
C'est
but-
super bon.
yeah, I'm still talking.
Don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
How do you know my name?
Wesh, comment tu sais?
Oops.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you, but only after you tell
Oh
me
non,
how
j'ai
you
capté.
ended up with a name like that.
En fait,
Oh, you mean a
c'était
name
pas un
like
hasard.
Robert Robertson III?
The third, 3 times this happened.
There was Grandpa Bobby,
Ouais, c'est grave
then
cool.
my dad, who I called Dad, but everyone else called Robbie, and then me, Robert, because I wanted to be taken seriously,
Family tradition.
in more ways than one. Gramps was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There
Merci.
was a little
Merci toi
inheritance
aussi.
and
Nim.
the life
Salut.
insurance money.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
Just your run-of-the-mill, sad superhero origin story. The family tradition, if there is one, is dying in that suit, which I guess I don't have to worry about anymore. What is it?
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet, but remind me to tell you someday.
Definitely.
Il y a du retard là sur les sous-titres, je vais m'énerver. Pourquoi tu t'approches de moi? Ah ok, ça m'a fait peur, Qui t'a croqué l'oreille? Non, ouais, je viens de se rencontrer les gars, jamais de la vie.
Sorry, I'm actually here with
Oh, moi, embrasser au premier date, vous êtes fous quoi.
the way I went about things tonight. I'm sorry. It was all a little loose, a little unprofessional.
Unprofessional? I'm not sure that applies to this.
I'm actually here on official business. How I know your name,
Voilà, j'étais
the
sûr.
proposition I mentioned right before you spit in my mouth.
Still mortified about that.
It's fine. Do you remember a superhero named Trackstar?
Remember, of course. He's like family. That I haven't talked to in a while. But what about him?
I work with him at SDN. He recommended you. Mentioned that he worked with your father.
Yeah, he was the youngest member of the Brave Brigade, so he was kind of my babysitter for a while. How's he doing?
He's doing great. He's why I'm here. Robert, I would like to make you an offer. In exchange for dispatching and mentoring some of our rookie heroes, SDN can make you Mecha Man again.
Oh là, Kaina, comment ça va? Trop tard, 13 minutes de retard, ils étaient là.
No more paying out of pocket for repairs. Support staff, the whole shebang.
My suit was totally destroyed.
I saw the report, studied the footage. It's not totally destroyed, just mostly.
Je savais pas que t'allais venir, c'est ton premier
It's a
message.
big investment.
Merci toi aussi.
It'll
Bon.
take considerable time and money to get the suit repaired and the missing pieces replaced. Plenty of time to learn how to dispatch and level up some of the heroes on our roster. Your experience, your work ethic, your perspective, it's all invaluable. Share it, Robert. You have a
J'ai
lot
trop envie de
left
le
to
faire.
give.
So when do we get started? Wait, so you want me dispatching? What's that even mean?
Oh, right. I was supposed to test you at the bar. Here.
The drunk people shouldn't be throwing things at drunk people.
Noted.
Am I waiting or are you waiting? What's going
It
on?
was supposed to open up when I threw it to you.
Oh, mets le mode économie.
Pop
Eh,
on. This
le
is
mode ne pas
part of
déranger,
the
je te le raconte.
assessment. And don't move too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Greetings
Oh,
and
ça pète sa
welcome to
mère.
this training simulation. We may be superheroes, but we're nothing without SDN's real hero, the Dispatcher. So, Dispatcher, where do we start? Well, it appears we've got our first call from a subscriber.
I saw some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
You'll receive requirements to help you determine which heroes to send. Such an array of brave heroes to choose from. How could you possibly
Phénoménal.
pick
Ouais.
just one? This graph will show you what a hero does well and
Ok, donc c'est un jeu de
not so
réflexion
well.
aussi.
A hero with a knack for vigor and combat looks right for the job. That sounds like me, Phenomenon.
Lui, il se bagarre bien, il se protège bien.
Now that at least one hero is being dispatched, it's time to get to work. A sound approach.
Ok.
I will now return to SDN.
Ok, il a fini sa mission.
When a hero returns to SDN, they'll need some much-needed R&R. That stands for rest and relaxation.
Ok. On il s'est reposé, le frérot.
Don't forget to review your hero's performance. On SDN's state-of-the-art graph, we can see an analysis of what skills the call required. Let's see how well I did after responding to that caller's, call.
Vas-y.
There's no such thing as a perfect fit. Use your intellect and your roster to your advantage.
Il avait beaucoup de charisme pendant le combat. Ok.
The more that my skills align with the needs of the job, the more likely I am to succeed. organized criminals,
Okay.
often led by figurehead supervillains, are the scourge of Southern California. We work tirelessly to root them out.
We've got a potential villain hideout on the college campus.
Sometimes the solution is brains, not brawn. SDN's diverse array of heroes can solve any problem.
Enquêter. Donc enquêter. Enquêter, il me faut de la mobilité vu que je vais pas taper, je vais juste enquêter. Attends. Enquêter, en vrai, il me faut de l'intelligence. Donc savante, vu qu'elle enquête.
The smart choice.
Ouais, c'est pas se battre en fait. Mais grave intelligent celui-là. Attends.
A tactical retreat.
Ah, c'est quand je mélange les deux. Vas-y, je mélange les deux.
Let's make history. Knowledge is power.
Ouais, bah, carré. Fallait être intelligent et j'étais 6 fois plus intelligent. Il s'appelle Beau Parleur, hein, c'est une dinguerie. Ah là 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 là. Intervenant pour son expo chez les super-héros de la région. Ah, il faut un beau parleur, merde, je l'ai envoyé. Attends. Faut qu'il rentre chez lui et qu'il se repose. J'arrive, vernissage, j'arrive. Prochaine, j'envoie que 1 euro en vrai. Parce que là en vrai, c'était toujours le même truc à faire.
The museum is doing an exhibit on local superheroes and need a guest speaker.
Il me faut un beau parleur. Et voilà.
Oh, if these streets could talk.
One of your heroes needs you as their leader. Your heroes will look
Les
to
discours
you,
préparés n'arrivent
make
pas
choices
à
and
captiver
follow
l'audience.
where they
On
lead.
va devoir improviser. Un point culture générale.
These choices need the right skill. Remember each of your heroes'
Merde, j'aurais dû faire des blagues.
and weaknesses.
Ok, c'est passé. Chaque des quêtes, ma gueule. Wesh.
Carrying the highway patrol.
Ok,
As
intercepter le
if
convoi.
traffic in this city was not bad enough.
Speaking
Allez,
of
je t'envoie
traffic
tort,
and
là.
going places,
Les diables
does
KGB sont à l'hôpital
SDN
général.
offer paid time off to take vacations?
Of course. PTO accrues at a regular rate over time.
Ok,
Use
donc,
it however
je
you
dois
like, as long
protéger,
as you
on envoie
discuss your
Colossia.
schedule with your manager well in advance.
Attaqué par un énorme...
PTO.
Qu'est-ce qu'il raconte? Ah, il me faut de la défense et je viens d'envoyer celle qui a le plus de défense, je vais me tirer une balle. Ouais, vas-y, je fais n'importe quoi sur celui-là.
I need help getting to my doctor's appointment.
Oh, quelqu'un qui peut traverser. Tiens, pom-pom.
Try and keep up.
Tu cours vite, toi. Oh, la galère. Alors, intercepter le convoi, il me fallait de la bagarre, de la défense. Ah bah ouais, frère. C'est bon.
Excellent dispatching. Dispatcher? Sometimes SDN hero can use their talents to
Trop de trucs dans le
bell
même temps.
rings. Your shift will
They
end
are
very
superheroes after all.
Bah, faut casser les murs, qu'est-ce que je te dis, je peux faire que ça. Mais j'ai pas trop de force en fait. Ok, bien joué.
Oh god, no. Help us. We're being held hostage. Send help, please.
Convaincre
You
les
can find
sbires.
suggestions on how to handle hostage situations on page 234 of SDN's Guide to Dispatching.
Non. Si je dois convaincre, en vrai, il me faut le beau parleur. Hein. Donc on va parler.
battery will get you everywhere.
C'était comment là? Allez, allez, let's go.
El Diablo's goons are running scared. We're
Y a
right
trop
on
de
the
trucs,
heels of
wesh.
his sidekick, El Diablito.
Poursuivez l'acolyte, donc faut courir. Résiste aux attaques, faut se protéger et bagarre. Et ouais, donc on va attendre un peu, Malégueux. Attends un peu. Hein. Attends que tout le monde se repose. De toute façon. 2 minutes. Vite fait. Faut pas abuser, wesh. Aider la dame, il fallait de la mobilité. Et j'ai une non-mobilité, donc ça passe. Non, mais tu te fous ma gueule. Ok. Faut pas une défense, frère. Faut que je cours.
SDN solves all problems, big and small. We never ignore
Allez,
the people
reposez-vous,
of the
là.
city, particularly the elderly.
Speaking of retirement, quick question, Phenomeman, does SDN offer 401k matching?
Yes, but there are limitations. Your HR representative will have
Allez,
all the
allez,
details.
allez, allez. Il s'est pas reposé. Pourquoi il est en attente? Ok, bon, vas-y, je fais quand même. Poursuivez, il faut que je cours. Ok.
Let's dash.
Résister, il me faut de la défense. Et attaquer.
Shut it down.
Voilà. Bon, normalement, la mission elle se passe bien. Attends, c'était quoi ça? Ici, se retenir en otage. Non, j'ai raté la mission.
I'm speechless.
Ah ouais, my bad. Ouais, forcément, j'ai envoyé un mec qui sait parler, bah ouais. Ok, je capte le jeu, Là, normalement, elle est parfaite, la mission. Wesh. J'avais tellement de... Bah oui, bah forcément.
A perfect dispatch.
Je sais.
You are a natural.
Bon, j'ai fait une erreur,
Our
malheureusement, j'ai
shift
tué
is
des gens.
done now. It is time for lunch.
We couldn't have done it without you, dispatcher.
Too true.
I'm going to enhance my break time with some of the snack offerings in our break room vending machines.
Great idea. Thank you again, dispatcher. I hope to be seeing a lot more of you. Goodbye for now, and don't forget to be phenomenal.
Did he just say phenomenal?
Alors, phénoménal.
Well, looks like I'm great at this, so that's gonna be bad for your negotiating position. Expect a lengthy...
Wesh.
Did I drool on you?
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we thought of... Well, why Trackstar thought of you.
It makes sense, yeah.
Meet me at the SDN offices.
Bah, dépose-moi parce que je peux pas voler.
I'm not done saving you yet.
Is there a ladder or...
Le chiot, il est trop mignon. C'est pas un chiot, c'est un chien. Wesh, il y a un peu de Mechaman. Chut, t'as été sage.
Were you a good boy?
The folks at SDN are the best in the business, and we're striving to create a safer, stronger.
Bah, donne-lui des céréales.
I met a nice lady. She wants to help us out.
En plus, c'est une musique faite pour les streamers. Faite pour les streamers. Pète sa mère l'épisode, c'est 1 heure l'épisode, c'est stylé. Wesh. On m'invite à co-héberger un live. C'est qui cette personne? Casse ça, un bac de l'eau. Avec de l'alcool, il aurait brûlé, mais ça aurait rien fait vu qu'il est inifugé. Ah, je la suis, frère. Combien 46%, vous n'avez pas embrassé Aurora. Fallait pas l'embrasser, de toute façon. Aurora. Remonter le sbire, taux de succès dans le combat, 80%. Réponse journaliste, 32. Que de la gueule. Vous écartez nos tutoriels du SDH. Ouais, je sais. Pas être débile par contre.